Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be decorating my journal. So this is the spread in the horizontal layout for July 19th through the 25th. I have been using this as a journal, just journaling about my day whenever I go to bed at night. So I'm really enjoying it, and I'm going to be using detailed florals and happy plans. So my secret sister at church actually bought me the detailed floral sticker book for one of my gifts, and if you're watching this, I don't know who you are, but thank you. So we're going to use it. I love the big pink flowers that are in it. I'll show you. I've used quite a few of them. So these big pink flowers are just super pretty. These are the ones I'm going to be using for this week. So I've already got my stickers chosen. I'll try to keep them off camera as much as possible. Just kind of keep it a surprise because I do have them laid out the way that I want them. But if you've watched any of my other horizontal plan with me, you know that I usually start with a long box on this left side. So my journal, I may actually have to start inserting like some notes pages, because if you watched my dashboard layout, my catch-all plan with me on Sunday, you'll know that I just today's actually the 13th, I'm filming early, started an ADHD medication. So I've been searching for answers for the way that I think and the way my brain works. I've been searching for those answers since I was about 20 years old, since my first son was born. And so I recently came across and started researching ADHD and felt like it was the magical answer that I've needed all my life. So today's the first day that I started Vyvanse, which is an ADHD medication, and I am amazed. Honest to goodness, I am amazed at how normal I feel. If that even makes sense. I don't know if that's even going to make sense to anybody that's watching this video, but to never be able to turn your brain off and to never not have a thought running through your brain is something that I've never experienced until today. So with all that being said, I am probably going to have to be inserting some notes pages into this journal, because I have so many things that I've noticed already just in the first few hours of taking my medication that I'm blown away, and I want to document it all so that I get this thing right. At 41 years old, struggling all my life with managing my time and managing my thoughts, and you know, I was just got done telling you guys on one of my last videos about how inconsistent I've always been my entire life, and the guilt and the embarrassment that comes with that, not being able to stick to something, not being able to be dependable. It is paralyzing, and it honestly just takes away from self-confidence and all of the things. So I want to document every single experience that I have with this medication so that I can make sure that I do this right and that it works and it does what I need it to do. I have actually been able to have conversations today without picking up my phone, without thinking about all the things that I need to get done. I've actually just been able to live in the moment and have a conversation, and that's something that I've never been able to do. So I am going to definitely be adding sheets to this planner and keeping a much more detailed journal of what's happening. So anyways, that was a total rant. Probably ADHD sticking out a little bit there. But I'm just impressed. I'm like over the moon excited about how calm my brain feels at the moment. I've never felt this calmness in my life, and it's just blowing me away. So anyway, oops, I think I just showed you my stickers. So what I just did there was put this long box in. Of course, I don't like these colors. These are the Happy Plans colors. So I just put a pink remember header there to match my flowers. And then I think I'm going to come down here at the bottom with this flower and kind of just make it fit on Thursday, and I'm going to trim around it to make it stay inside the box like I did up on Monday. I gotta find my smaller ruler though, because that one is just big and clunky. I have no idea where it's at. Let me get my clear one. This will make it much easier. Alright. So I'm not going to worry too much about saving myself a lot of room. I like these flowers. I can just write down like the basics of my day in these boxes, and then the details of any experiences I can write down on a note page. I have plenty of happy notes I need to use anyway, so might as well use them to make notes, right? Okay, so like I said, I don't like this color, so I found this sticker in Detailed Florals that is perfect to just stagger here and cover up this non-matching color. I always love the challenge of repurposing stickers to make them work, and this is a prime example. I kind of wish that I could put that a little bit lower, so let's do that, and then I'll just have to white out that little bit of yellow. Yeah, we'll just white that out. I think it looks better kind of staggered down. Y'all tell me what you think. Even though I'm kind of whiting out this line that's here, I think it'll be okay. Alright, now I do want to add in a couple more of these little yellow flowers. Just, I don't know, the color yellow just makes me happy. I'm sure I've said that many times before, but it really makes me happy. So now if you'll look, I have basically filled in Thursday with stickers. So you're like, Casey, what are you doing? I can always write Thursday here. Because I have plenty of room for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I could even write Thursday all the way down here. So I can just make it work with filling in this entire box. I can make it work with a different box. Alright, so let's move on to the other side. This is going to be pretty simple here because I'm actually going to use a vertical box sticker that has my flowers in it. So I'm not even sure that I'm going to have to cut any of the clear florals. So usually on this side, I kind of like to stagger my boxes to sort of fill up the middle of the page. Or not fill it up, but to be focused on the middle of the page. I can see that black line through there, so I've got to get rid of that. Oh, and something I did learn, like I always pick on myself for being a perfectionist, but that's actually one of the traits of a woman with ADHD. And the reason being is probably because we try so hard to be normal, and our brains are so chaotic that we, over time, kind of have coping mechanisms. So one of my coping mechanisms would be writing everything in my planner, and so that I remember it. Another coping mechanism would be my perfectionist traits, which really reared their ugly heads after I had my first son. Because a person with ADHD can manage life pretty well when it's, you know, just me and my husband. And we'd been together 5 years before my first son was born, so I was managing pretty decent. And then add a child in the mix, and an ADHD person just can't keep up with life. So I developed OCD and perfectionism traits to try to help me cope with life and being a young mom and wife and whatnot. So I'm probably rambling. Like, there's so much that I've learned the last few weeks. I'm just blown away that there's not help out there. There's just not the awareness that people need for mental health. And we go our whole lives struggling, trying to be normal, trying to fit in, trying to, you know, you look at other people's lives and you're trying to just do what you think is normal, and you can't. So, I don't even remember where I was going with that. I'm on a little rant right now, I guess. I don't know. I'm just talking. So, my heart goes out to you if you struggle with any of the above. Anything that I've just talked about, any kind of mental health or anything like that, I'm here for you. I may not have answers, but I can definitely be an ear to hear and listen. I don't like that. Let's try that on the other side. I feel like I can just talk all day, that I don't even have to concentrate on like what I'm doing here. It's almost like it's just coming together no matter how much I'm talking. So it's just weird. I'm just blown away at the way my brain feels right now. Y'all let me know in the comments if you have struggles, if you're comfortable even mentioning your struggles, or if you can even relate to my rants today. Alright, so this is super cute. I love the pink and the yellow with the little pops of green. I'm not sure if I want to add any washi. I think I'm just going to leave it alone. I know that I don't have any clear foils. Like, I almost feel like I need something up here, but then I feel like it's going to clash over here with this sticker. So I think this is probably going to be it, y'all. Let me know in the comments if you think that looks cute the way it is. I think it'll do great for a journal. And I may even, I just had an idea, I may even grab like one of these to be my insert and decorate it to match. Let's do that. While I'm here, might as well. But I think all I'm going to do is make it pretty simple. So this can be my extra journal insert. I think I'm just going to put a big flower somewhere. And maybe a couple of the little yellow ones. So why don't we take this and maybe, where do I want to put this? I'm not going to worry about covering up lines and dots and all that stuff, y'all. That's just too much. Let's put that there. Cut that off. And then I'll have a matching journal insert. And I may need others. I may need 2 or 3. I don't know. It depends on what all my new discoveries are as the days go by. But I can always have lots of paper to write on. So I'm wondering maybe I could take this and put it down at the bottom. And then I'll have matching pages. And that is super cute. So there, I put that down at the bottom, got that at the top, and that is super cute. So look, now I have my matching journal inserts. Love it. I should probably put a yellow flower here somewhere. Sorry, ADHD. Jumping off subject. Let's put this here. And then I'm going to finish this video. We'll put this down at the bottom. Yeah, it's okay. It's not beautiful, but it's got my yellow in it, right? I do have a yellow one left over from the other side. We'll put it right in here. Just kind of make them all flow together. Alright, super, super cute. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and my rambling, my ranting, and all that. If you did, you'll give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and head over to Instagram to follow me there. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.